Hey folks, let's talk about some automatic knives. We've got, let's see, some Black Ops knives. Nice gold lettering, perfect condition. They're not supposed to be fully automatic, but I did a little adjustment. This one, the HRT's got a little bit of oil on it, but yeah, it's nice. SW70. Then we've got the Smith & Wesson Law Enforcement Military 1400. Armed Forces only, But even though they went to the Armed Forces, they're for everyone. Nice knife, opens lightning quick. Comes with the sheath, box, Main USA, of course. This is a neat one. This is a featherweight, and you just roll the. How do you do it? Oh, you do it like that. Okay, now I got it. Okay, you roll it, and it's open. Smith & Wesson SWAT featherweight, designed by Rocky Moser. USA knife, got a USA sheath, Main USA on the box. It's the SW1250 Smith & Wesson featherweight, and it opens lightning quick and extremely sharp. Oh my god, just press that to let it go back. And then we've got some with the sling blade, like it just slings open like that. Press the button in, slings right open. Nice knives. It's got a safety on it in case whatever. But yeah. That's all I've got, folks.